What's up, y'all? It's your boy K back with another video, man. And today we got a whole different project, and I'm actually trying to see if we can get this thing done in 24 hours or how much we can get done in 24 hours. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this is a Chrysler product, and as you can see, it's in bad shape. So we have here a 2012 Chrysler 200. So as we can see, let's go over all the damages. Passenger headlight is done. It's over with. Passenger side of the bumper done, over with. The front bumper needs to be replaced. So the driver's side of the car, it's really not that bad. The bumper is just hanging down right there, but it has to come off anyways. And as you can see, the rest is not bad at all. Got it hooked up right now to the battery charger, trying to get some juice to it. But coming back to the major damage, this has to be replaced. The bumper has to be replaced, and everything over here, fender, little work right there, and suspension is over with. So as you know, this is the rotor, this is the knuckle, this is the axle. It's supposed to be in there. This right here is your strut. It's not supposed to be bent like this. You see the sway bar link, not supposed to be bent like that either. And tire rod, all this stuff. So lower control arm is supposed to be in here, but as you can see, it's not supposed to be damaged like that. So that is actually the K-frame, the front subframe, and it has to be replaced. And don't worry, it's kind of loose tension on the brake line. I'm gonna see if I can push it up a little bit more. But so far, this is the damage. Okay, you guys, so I did just get off the phone with the owner of this thing. So I did get the okay to go ahead and proceed with doing this. So pretty much I had to call, actually tell them about the K-frame, the front subframe that needs to be replaced. So more than likely, I'm not gonna lie to you, we're not gonna get everything done in 24 hours because we have to go get the K-frame, and that's on order, so we gotta wait. So, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it, man. Start tearing everything down. We could just see how much we can get done today. That's this video. So let's go ahead and get to work. All right, so first thing I want to do is just go ahead and grab all this and take it off. Majority of it is probably, you know, already unloose and broken off. So we can just get this up out of here just like that. We just got to take the tabs off with the connectors off here, and this should just come out, and then go ahead and remove the bumper and everything. So let's go ahead and knock this thing down. So for this connection here, we just go take the flathead, pull up on this here, press down on that tab, and then we can pop it off. So pretty much this is a safety latch here. You pull it up, press down on the tab. Already pulled up the safety latch, as you can see. So you just press down on the tab and give it a good pull, it'll come off. Do the same thing for this one down here. Just go ahead and press in on it, and it should come off. Oh, there we go. Got the headlight off. That's the projector part that shines on the road. The rest is done. So throw that right there. Let's get back to work. Now we can really see the damages, but let's go ahead and take this bumper off so we can expose everything. So for the bumper, it's a 10 millimeter. Shoot that one off. Shoot that one off. The rest is just tabs. The rest is just tabs right there, and we got to pick off. So right here, I'm just taking the top cover off, so that way we can pull the whole entire front bumper off of this car. You got a few clips and everything in the inside, so you just got to get them all out. Once you do that, the bumper should come off. It's super easy. So as you can see, finally got the bumper off right here. So we're going to go ahead and set this to the side with everything else. Now that that's out the way, we can go ahead and look at all the damages. Okay, so here's some more damages right here. So basically, oh no, I think we good. Oh yeah, okay, so this is just the other piece of the headlight. So I can take this out here. I believe this is a part of the headlight as well. And then it's a crack right here. So really, this core support is supposed to be changed just because of the hairline crack in here. But I'm going to take a picture, send it to the customer, and let them know, and ask them what they want me to do. They might just tell me not to worry about it, just put everything back, but they might want me to replace it too. So we're going to see. But let's go ahead and shoot off this so we can really get a good look at it. So this right here is actually a part of the core support. I thought it was a piece of the headlight over there, but it's actually supposed to go right here, a piece of the core support. So I don't know, maybe we can try to plastic weld it back together. But I'm not sure. I'm going to take a picture, send it to the customer really quick. So I just sent off a text message, but I'm about to keep going, you know, try to knock this thing out. So now we're about to take off the fender, still using a 10mm. So to take off the fender, you need to take these screws out here. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then you also have like 2 at the very bottom. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like 2 right there. Yeah, 2 right there. Okay, so coming in is actually 1 more screw right here. It's just holding it on. So as you can see, the metal rod that it's hanging to is actually bent pretty bad. So we got to take this off. I believe it's still a 10mm. So to test it out, just go grab our gun, shoot that thing off. So we gotta open a door handle to expose this bolt right here. Then we should be able to get it off. So I just switched here to a swivel. That's what this is right here. You see it moves around like that. So this is a swivel adapter. That way we can have a little bit of room to actually get on the screw itself. So see, now it fits. Before it didn't fit because, you know, obviously the gun is too big. So now we can go ahead and shoot it off just like that. There we go, fender off. So that's what it looks like. We're gonna take this bad boy and throw it over here with the rest of the trash. So if you've never seen what a car looks like without a fender and without a bumper and without a suspension, there you go, man. Merry Christmas, man. Check it out. So we could close the door again, but it's a small little dent here that we got to pull out, and it's another screw. I'm going to leave that in. This is all the stuff that's hiding behind the fender to, you know, keep the wind from getting up under there, and this one right here too. All right, so now that we have the fender and stuff off, we can go ahead and do this. So what I'm going to do is take the sway bar link off and then take the strut off. So these 3 bolts right here, just loosen them up and take this off, sway bar link, and then it should drop straight down. Usually you have to take off 2 right here, but I already did that because the knuckle is on the floor. So let's go ahead and do that. I think it's a 15. Yep, 15. And we should be good to go. Nope, it's a 16. I'm tripping, I can't see. Yep, it's a 16. So as you can see, everything, for the most part, is taken off. So on the driver's side, I just had to take the wheel off and lower the lower control arm at the bottom. And then over here on the passenger side, as you can see, everything is taken off like we did earlier. Only thing you couldn't really see is me taking the strut and stuff off. All the old parts is literally right here. So I have this all the way torn down. So now we just have to get ready to disassemble everything so we could put this on right here, which is the front subframe or the K-frame. So many different names, but those are the main 2. So in order to do that, we literally have to get all the way up underneath the car, because it's this